Today on Engineering Newswire, we're cooking up a solar-powered hot dog, recharging our phones in just 15 minutes, and plowing over toddlers with a security robot. Nothing is more satisfying on a beautiful summer day than a tasty hot dog. However, hauling lighter fluid and a bag of coals around to grill the wiener isn't exactly the most enjoyable experience. But what if you could harness the sun's energy to cook the dogs instead? This is exactly what the team at Cincinnati-based GoSun intended to deliver with their Solar Dogger, a fuel-free, solar-powered hot dog cooker that is able to produce tasty, cooked hot dogs in only 10 minutes. GoSun recently launched the project on the crowdfunding site Indiegogo with the goal of reaching up to $55,000. What makes this product unique is that it can fit into a durable clamshell case, and the whole thing only weighs a few pounds. This means you can take it with you camping, to the park, to the beach, or even to the company picnic. How exactly does it work, you may ask? The Solar Dogger uses a set of compound parabolic reflectors surrounding a tube made of borosilicate glass. When sunlight hits the tube via the reflectors, the inner cooking chamber starts to heat up. In fact, the vacuum tube is capable of converting about 80% of sunlight into heat, allowing it to reach up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. And according to GoSun, the device can even harness solar energy if it's cloudy. So if you love wieners like I do, but hate the hassle of the grill, go check out Solar Dogger today.
How long does it take you to fully charge your smartphone? Probably a grueling couple of hours. Now, let's imagine for a moment that you could recharge your laptop, phone, or other battery-driven device in less than 15 minutes. Sounds kind of like a dream come true? Well, actually it is. The world's first graphene battery pack was just unveiled at an event in Beijing, and it promises unprecedented recharging performance. The Chinese company behind the battery calls its product the G-King and claims it has a 4,800 milliamp hour capacity. This capacity is substantially more than what we see in a smartphone and is more comparable to compact laptops and small tablets. The company also says that the cell is strong enough to be discharged and recharged 3,500 times, which, according to the company, is 7 times the strength of a conventional lithium-ion battery. And all these incredible qualities are thanks to graphene, a material that has the potential to transform a range of sectors, such as electronics, energy, health, and construction. In fact, it's already being used to make more flexible screens possible and improve heart rate and gas sensors. And perhaps most exciting is the impact this type of battery could have on electric vehicles. Unfortunately, the company hasn't provided a date for when the G-King would be available, but we'll be sure to closely monitor its development.
A 300-pound, 5-foot-tall security robot has been making the news over the past week as it patrols a mall at Stanford Shopping Center in Palo Alto, California. The hefty Nightscope K5 robot patrols within a geofenced area using its sensors to alert security professionals of potential threats. It has an impressive list of features such as 360-degree high-definition video for both day and low light, thermal imaging, and two-way audio with public address, intercom, and broadcast. Plus, it can also recognize license plates and detect particular people. The robot's owners can then receive real-time alerts via the Nightscope Security Operations Center, a browser-based user interface, and its mobile application. While the K5 has been amusing to many of the mall shoppers, one toddler experienced a rather traumatic run-in with the robot last week. According to a local news station, 16-month-old Harwin Chang's right foot was run over by the K5, causing it to swell, in addition to receiving a pretty nasty scrape in his leg from the incident. According to the child's mother, the robot hit his head, and when he fell down, the robot didn't stop. Even though the robot was designed to alert authorities of abnormal noises, sudden environmental changes, and known criminals, it should also have the adequate sensors to detect a child. Hopefully the Nightscope quickly looks into this glitch before other children get plowed over too.
Do you have story ideas? Comment below and we'll cover them in an upcoming episode. For the PD&D channel, I'm John Minnick, and this has been your Engineering Newswire.